this is week 2 of 5 weeks of East Coast Swing in Charleston. We're working on an infinity slide into a push and pull into an inside turn. So what's going to happen from open position is I'm going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock, step, up, over, slide, catch, and then I'm going to, as the lead, pull her as I step forward on my left leg, tap her back, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Okay, and also we worked on going from open and closed position, so we'll work on that as well. So we're starting in open, and after the back step, I'm going to come in, a rock step. So the timing of that is we're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, closed position. The transition from closed to open is slightly different. It's going to be on the 5, 6 instead of the 1. I go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, slide out into open. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And that is what we learned in class tonight. Come back for more next week.